I'm connecting my Maxi 6 now. 905. This is the what they call the VCI, vehicle communication interface. We got intermediate start in this car. I believe it's related with the security system, and we're gonna use this tool to troubleshoot it. And let's see. I'm gonna select automatic auto detect VIN number. And we got that access. It's a 4-door sedan, that's correct. The VIN number ending number 857. 857, that's correct. As you can see, this is wireless. We're going into diagnostics, and we're going to control unit, and I want to go in body control, and I want to select this guy here, Guardian codes. This is intermediate. I don't know if it's going to show anything. Yeah, Guardian code, key in ignition, key in ignition, circuit high, 2964. Escape out of that. Going to history. Got the 1440. Power mute. Master input circuit mismatch. And the second one, which is a hard code because it's current happening, the B2964. Escape out of that. I don't want to clear the DTC. I'm gonna go to special functions and set up BCM. No, output control. Let's see what we got there. Nothing. Escape out of that. Data display. Inputs and outputs. We need inputs. That's what we need here. See what and the pits, like this guy, driver door switch open. If I close, watch it will be this guy here. Watch it when I close the door. Close the door, okay? Open the door, open the door. Okay, I don't need that. I need ignition switch key and unlock. Okay. Unlock. Key cylinder unlock. Off. Something. Don't change the pit there. Ignition clean on. Brake switch. Parking brake switch. Off. Key inactive. Ignition inactive. Okay. Okay. Ignition on. Ignition on. Let's see here. I got more keys for this car. I don't know if it's gonna let me change keys. Probably lost the data. Okay, on. Okay, let me see something here if I got anything. It's those two guys. Let me see if he let me do another key. And ignition on, ignition off, ignition on. I did that quick. Ignition on, ignition off, ignition on. Okay. Inactive ignition key, inactive. Okay. Let's see something here. Oh, it's a switch. This one don't even want to come out of here. It's a switch. I can't even turn the key. See? It's running. Okay. It's a switch. I put it to start. When you get to this point here, I don't know if you can see that in the video. Let me see here. I'm pointing that. Okay, there. When it gets to this point here, you crank the engine. The switch should come down to on. This one is not doing that. Look at this. Leave it in start and stay in start. You see, it's not coming back. I turn it back and on and stay on. And so is the switch here. The switch is getting, I'm gonna tell them to lubricate it to see what happened, but you know, this switch is done, and they're famous for this thing. They're famous for this thing. So I got a similar problem with another car with the start condition, the same car, same year, and same everything. But I don't got no communication like this in the computer. No communication at all with the ECM, BCM. It's no communication. And the fuse, they're good. I gotta go to the link, to the wiring harness, to see the communication data from that car. It's a gray area, that one. But this guy here, you see, right now I forcing in this key to turn it off. I forcing him back, and it's not want to go back. Now it's going back. All right, ignition switch. This guy's got to be changed, the ignition switch. This is a fix. All right, guys.